VW Touran with adaptive suspension from VW Scirocco. Now, there is no button yet for it. There's no button made for the Touran, so we'll have to improvise at some point, finish with a button. But I moved it separately in here, and as you can see, press on it, comfort, sport, and this is normal. Now, when you switch it, it shows in here as well. I keep it on comfort, and when you take the ignition off, it goes back to it. Ignore the lights and the errors, we're still finishing retrofitted xenons, and just so you can see, it's all fitted and no faults. You just have to connect it. It's because I took the ignition off, and now it should be okay. Fault codes? No fault codes found. If it does help you just to see the coding. I did fitted automatic distance regulation, adaptive cruise control. If it's a Passat, it would have electromechanical, but this is not. This is a Touran, and it's like a Golf 6. All these functions, they have to be like this. If you don't have this DCC mode switching, if it's not active, when you press the button, it won't save the last settings. So this is it. The first Touran with adaptive suspension in UK, at least as far as I checked.